Happy birthday. Whose mother's birthday?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy birthday, dear mom.
Who's Kirtana's mother's birthday?
Thank you.
To you.
Mother's birthday.
To your mother's birthday.
Ridvi's mother's birthday.
Mother's birthday. Okay. Happy birthday to your mother.
Thank you, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Celebrations in your house.
Nothing, ma'am.
Yes. You're not talking.
Why no celebration?
No celebrations. In the evening they will celebrate. Okay.
Nothing, ma'am. This is only cutting
You are
cake.
not coming. Don't worry, Prithvi. Shall we come?
Can you explain what is LCM? I know the meaning, but I didn't understand.
Yes, yes. I will give some examples. So I think it is sufficient for you. These problems you study up to HCF and LCM. It will be sufficient.
Can I ask a doubt?
I cannot hear you. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Tell me a little bit louder.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you excuse me, ma'am.
Can you write the heading?
First one, heading you want to write means you can write.
You should be write the heading.
Ma'am, is it in notes? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, should we write it in notes?
Yes, HCF and LCM, you write it.
Should you write the heading?
HCF and LCM, you write in
Ma'am,
the
are these notes?
unrolled sheet. Your class
Ma'am,
note.
should we write examples?
Yes,
Should we write
what is the doubt?
examples?
Can we continue?
Should we write examples?
Yes, HCF and LCM in the unrolled sheet, you can write it now.
Ma'am, can we continue?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, should we write the example on the heading?
You write it.
Should we write the example under
You can write it as HCF and LCM. Examples, no need of writing.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish writing the heading.
Heading. Okay, we can go to the next one.
Continue.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we continue?
Continue.
Yes, you can continue.
Ma'am, please, can you show the heading, ma'am?
HCF and LCM.
HCF and LCM, you write it. Only copy the question. You don't want to, I will tell you if you are having doubt.
Can we write in the new sheet?
New sheet, not necessary. In division chapter only this one. HCF and LCM.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Yes, if you are not having no sheet, in the previous sheet, you can take new sheet. Okay.
My previous paper don't have space.
Yes.
You can write the new sheet.
Yes, you can continue.
No, she said that her worksheet don't have space. Ma'am, show the next one.
Yes. This heading also no need of writing. Find the HCF and LCM. Only example you write it. I will tell you how to do it.
Ma'am, I wrote that heading.
No problem. Nothing will happen. Find the HCF and LCM. 12, 1, 16.
Can you show the heading?
HCF and LCM.
HCF and LCM. Only that much.
Ma'am, I have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, show the next one.
I'm sure the next slide.
Yes, 12, 1, 16. Copy the question first.
Ma'am, show. I didn't write the question. I didn't write
No,
the
ma'am, can you please share?
Okay, ma'am.
12, 1, 16.
Ma'am, is it the question 12 and 16?
Yes, 12, 1, 16. I will tell you how to do it. Listen carefully. Only copy the question. Don't
what
write
is
the
the
answer.
question? And wrote the question. And what is the question?
12 and 16. You should find HCF and LCM. So 12, can you do it by yourself?
No, ma'am.
No, I will do it once.
First one you show, then the
Yes, first one I will show it to you. Listen carefully. First one you can write 12.
Ma'am, I just joined now because of network issue. Did you take anything?
Right.
I am starting now. HCF and LCM I am starting. Felix, what are the factors of 12? First you tell me now.
This is the first slide.
Yes, first one.
For
2 into 6. Very good. First factor you can write it as 2 and 6. 2 into 6 is 12.
Ma'am, I told 400.
4 into 3 because 4 is not a prime factor. Or you can divide it again. 4 into 3 also you can take it. No problem for that. Okay.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, 1 minute I will tell you. I will tell you and share the board. Understand first. 6 into 2 you can write. Or into 4 into 3 also you can take it. That is also correct. You want to do with 4 into 3 means you can do it. Or you can do with 2 into 6. 4 into 3. Listen carefully now. One factor is 4 and the other factor is 3. How will you make it into factors again, Srihari?
Ma'am,
3 is a prime number, so nothing to do with it. Again, you have to make this 4 as prime factors. You can write it as 2 factors, 2 and 2. Is it clear? So now what are the factors of 12, Prithvi? What are the factors of 12?
Ma'am, 4.
2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 because it is called the prime factorization. 4, no need of taking because small factors I told you. 4 is a composite number. So don't take 4. You can make it into factors as 2 into 2 into 3. Or you can take it as 2 into 6 also you can take. 6 again you can make as prime factors as 2 into 3 also. Both will come as the same answer. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. So 12 you can write it as the factors as 2 into 2 into 3. Is it clear now? Then next one factors of 16. Siddhi, how will you write? How will you write 16? First factor you can take it as?
And the 12 we have to take 2 factors only.
Which one?
And for 12 we have to add only 2 factors.
3
2 and
factors will come for 12. 6 again, 2 again, 3. Next
okay,
one. What
ma'am.
are the factors of 16? Who is there now? Aditi, what are the factors of 16? Make it into small factors.
Ma'am.
What are the table? 2 into 8. You can write. 2 into 8 is 16.
and can we do 4 into 4?
4 into 4 also you can take it. 4 again you have to make it into factors as 2 into 2. Again that is one more 4 is there, that also you have to make it into then 2 into 8. So 2 is in the simplest form, so no need of writing it again. How will you write 8? 8, how will you make it into factors?
It is
2 and 4.
2 into
And 4. Again this 4 you can write it as 2 into 2. How many factors of 2 came now for 16?
4.
2 into 2 is 4, 4, 2, 4 2s are there. So next step you can write factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? How will you write, Niranjan? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. How many 2s are common here? Ira? How many 2s? 1 2 is common, 2 2s are common, 3 is here but 3 is not there. So don't write any other terms. For HCF, you have to write only 2 into 2. 3, no need of writing. This 2 also no need of writing because it is not common.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Clear?
So for 16, 16. we have
Again, you
to
can write it as
ma'am, for 16 what we have to
16. You
write?
can write it as first factor 2, again 8. Again, you can write it as 2 and 4. Again, this 4 you can factor as 2 into 2. So the factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer, ma'am. I did
Got
it
the
right.
correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Now, what is the highest common factor?
2 into 2.
Factors of 12. What are the factors of 12?
Two.
What are the factors of 12? 2
Two
into
into
2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. How many factors of 2 are there in 12? 2 factors of 12 is there. 1 factor of 3 is there. But in 16, 4 factors of 2 are there. There is no factor of 3 there. So don't take 3 in the HCF because it is not common. So don't take 3. How many factors of 2 you should take as common here? 2 factors of 2 you should take as common. That is 2 into 2 will be 4 is the HCF. Now is it understanding? Yes or no?
Yes.
Still doubt is there? Open your mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
a little
ma'am.
bit of
Is it clear?
small confusion.
Yes,
Small
what confusion now? What is
Ma'am,
the confusion? Can
ma'am,
you ask?
I do not understand the 16. I understood 12. But the
16. What are the small factors of 16? 2 into 8 you can write. 2 into 8 is 16. Again you can write it as 8. 8 you can make it as factors as 2 into 4. 4 is also not, it is a composite number. Again you can make it into small. How much you can make it into small factors you have to make it. 8 you can write it as 4 into 2. 4 again you can write it as 2 into 2. So what are the small factors or what are the prime factors of 16? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you have to write it. That is called 16.
Ma'am.
Yes. Next one. In 12,
Excuse me, ma'am.
in 12 only 2 factors of 2 are there. Is it clear? So how many factors of 2 will come as common? Only 2 factors of 2 will come as common.
Ma'am.
3 is not there in both the terms.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So what is the highest common factor?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just tell me.
Ma'am, in the factors of 16, there is needed of 4, 2.
This is 4. 8 you can factorize as 4 into 2. 4 again you can simplify as 2 into 2. So all the factors you have to write. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes. Siddhi, now can you tell me what is the highest common factor here? HCF. Factors of 12. You got it as 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 16, you got it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then, can you tell me what is the LCM here? In the first factors of 12, 2 is repeated how many times, Riza? In LCM, I told you, in factors of 12, 2 is repeated how many times? Only 2 times. In 16, how many times 2 is repeated?
3 times.
4 times it is repeated.
4 times.
4 times it is repeated as 2. So you have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. And again, one more extra
Ma'am,
term.
can I ask it out?
Yes. So in the extra
Ma'am,
term,
in
is there.
15, 2 is repeated 7 times, right?
Where repeated in the first term it is repeated only 2 times. Second factor it is repeated 4 times. Okay, so LCM will be 2 into 2 into
Ma'am, ma'am, how will be it repeated 2 times? It will be only repeated 1 time because it
where it is repeated 1 time.
1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2.
In 12, what are the factors of 12, Rishna? What are the factors of 12? Rudra, what are the factors of 12?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the factors of 12?
6 and 2.
6 and 2 you can write. How you made it as small again? How you made it small again?
3 and 6.
3 and 2. So what are the factors of 12? Small factors of 12.
Izan, please mute.
2 and 6.
2 into
2 into 6.
6 you should not write, I told you. You have to write as prime factors. 6 is not a prime number. Small factors you have to write. That means 2 into 2 into 3 itself. 2 into 2 into 3. You have to write it as prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3. Is it okay now? 12 you wrote it as 2 into 2 into 3. How many times 2 is repeated?
2 times.
How many times 2 is
2 times.
repeated?
2 times.
In 12, how many times 2 is there?
2 times.
2 times. How many times 3 is there?
1 time.
1 time. Okay. In 16, how will you make it into factors?
16.
2 into 8 you can write, but 8 is also not a prime number. You can again factorize it. 2 into 4 you can write. 4 again you can write it as 2 into 2. So 16 you can write as prime factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Is it clear now? 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you have to write it. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. How many times it is repeated, Navneet? How many times it is repeated?
4
times.
4 times. Okay?
4 times.
4 times it is repeated. In 12, how many times 2 is repeated? Rian C. Bijoy? In 12, how many times 2 is repeated? 2 times. How many times 3 is repeated? Each factors you should see. 3 is repeated only 1 time. In 16, how many times 2 are repeated?
4 times.
4 times.
4 times.
Which is the, in HCF, which is the least number of times repeated?
3.
How many times of 2 is repeated minimum?
2.
Common.
Common.
How many times 2 is common here in 2 terms also? In 12, how many times it is repeated? I told you.
2 times.
2 times. In 16, how many times?
4 times.
So which is common? How many times it is repeated common? Same.
2 times.
2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Which is common here in both the terms? This is common. This is same. This is also same. Is it same? No. Here
Two
no, it's
times.
not there. So this one also don't take it. Which
Ma'am,
one you will take it now? Which are same in both the terms? You have to take it. Which is same?
2 is the same.
2 is same. How many times 2 is repeated? 2 times 2 are same. The remaining factors you
times
cannot
2.
take. That is why it is called highest common factor. 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2?
4.
4 is the HCF. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Because it is the common terms there, which is repeated minimum number of times. Okay. Next one. In LCM, if you want to take it. In LCM, if you want to take it. 12, you can write it as 2 into 3. I told you. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. In LCM, in the first case, it is repeated how many times? 2? 2 times.
2 times.
2 times. In the second case, how many times repeated?
4 times.
4 times.
times.
So which one you will take for LCM? 2 times you will take for LCM or 4 times you will take for LCM? LCM. 4 times. Because it is
4 times.
repeated more times. So you have to take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 for LCM. Because you don't want to see the common terms in LCM, which is repeated maximum number of times in LCM. Into 3 is repeated here. So you should take 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 16 into 3. You will get it as 48 is the LCM. I think half of the terms you understood now. Is it clear? Is it clear?
I can show it here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can show
Next
one
example, you can see it. 15 and 18. You find the factors and find the HCF and LCM now.
Can you show the
previous slide?
show the previous one?
Chat
Yes.
now it's coming from your audio.
Yeah.
It's not Tanvi's. Tanvi's is muted, but there's still an like echo. It's coming from your audio. Sarah.
Can you show it?
Yes, second example you can see.
Can you show the 15?
Can you mute, Sarah?
Who is unmuted? Sarah? Adidev? Second question, find the HCF of 15 and 18.
Sarah.
15 and
No, it is not Tanvi.
Ma'am,
Find out
can
now.
you show the HCF of the 12 and 16?
this much only you write. 2 into 3.
Ma'am, can you
Factors
show
of-
the Ma'am, can you show the HCF of 12 and 16?
15 and 18.
HCF.
You should write the factors and you should tell me the HCF and
Can
LCM.
you show me the HCF? HCF of this one.
Sarah, can you mute? There's a lot of disturbance.
Yeah,
Can
Sarah.
you show
Tanvi was not.
Sarah, mute the viewer.
Can you show the
Are you sure it's from Sarah?
Yes, I checked. It's not
I have
Tanvi.
put it in speaker mode, so who
15 and 18.
can be displayed in my screen.
Can you show the
15
HCF?
and 18. Yes, Glenn, what are the factors of 15? You got it now.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the factors of 15?
What are the factors of 15?
Yes.
5 into
15,
3.
1, 5.
5 into 3.
Yes, 5 into 3. So first step you can write factors of 15. 5 into 3.
Ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the sound was from was not from Sarah.
From whom? From you?
Ma'am, not that. If it was from Sarah, she was unmuted.
Yes, please mute now.
See, now you got it.
Factors of 15. So he told about 5 into 3. It is correct. Next step. Factors of 18. How many of you got factors of 18? Yes, Mayuk, what is that? You got it? Ridvi got it?
Ma'am, 6
Yes,
into
Shanti got
3.
it? Yes, Mayuk. What are the factors of 18?
Ma'am, the factors of 18 is 18 into 9 and
2 into 9 first you can write. 2 into 9 is 18.
Can I say one?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Ridvi.
did 6 into 3, ma'am.
2 into
6 into 3.
6 into
Ma'am,
3
I
also
did
you can write it. How will you write in simplest form, Janvi?
9 into 2.
9 into 2 you can write. Then how will you write 9 again? Smallest form, simplest form. 9.
3 into 3.
3 into 3. So you can write 18. Factors of 18 as 18 you can write it as first one 2 and 9. 9 again you can write it as 3 into 3. So factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Yes. Now my question is, which is the common factor here?
3.
Ma'am,
3
is common. 3.
How many 3s are common?
2. 1.
Only one time is common. So HCF will be only 3. Because 5 is here, but 5 is not here. So don't write in HCF. Only 1 3 is there. So only 1 3 only you can write here. One more 3 is there. Don't write it. 2 is also there, but in other term it is not there. So only HCF is 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Saira.
have you write the LCM? Ma'am,
Now
have
you
you
have
write
to
the
write the
LCM of
LCM.
12 and 16?
Yes, can you tell me, Sarah,
No,
what is
ma'am.
the
I
LCM
asked,
here?
have you write the? Ma'am,
What is the
I
LCM
asked,
here?
have you write the LCM of 12 and 16?
LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. LCM is 48. So can you tell me, Haira, what is the LCM here? 5, you should write it because 5 is not there in LCM. Here it is not there, but only one term it is there. 2 is here, 2 also you should write. 3 is 2 times it is repeated here. So 2 times you have to write in LCM. 5 into 2 is 10 into 9. 90 is the LCM. Factors of 15, first you can write 5 into 3. Factors of 18, you can write it as 2 into 3 into 3. So HCF is only one time it is repeated. So 3. LCM means 5 you have to write it because 15 it is there. 3 you have to write 2 times it is maximum repeated. 2 also you have to write it. So LCM is 90 and HCF is 3. I think now half you understood. Fully understood?
Ma'am, can you share the
Fully
board?
understood now? Still no response.
Yes,
70%
ma'am.
did
No,
you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do the
Understood.
next problem? LCM
Yes,
means
ma'am.
one term factor is coming, you have to write it also.
Ma'am, can you show the second question once again? I will take a screenshot.
Don't forget to write. Here 5 is there, 5 have to write. Here 2 is there, 2 also you have to write it. 3 2 times it is there, so 2 times also you have to write it. So the LCM is 90. But
Ma'am,
in
can you
HCF,
show the
2
third?
times also common, it should come. I think now you understood it little bit. Yes or no?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Little bit understood.
Understood.
Next to 16 and 20. You copy the question and write. 16 and 20. 16. Third question is 16 and 20.
Ma'am, can you show the second question? Only 1 second.
Third question is 16 and 20.
Okay, ma'am.
I will not show the screen. You have to do by yourself. 16 and 20.
Ma'am, can you show the second one?
Yes, Riza. Riza, no, Zaira.
It's not me.
I asked you to just show the second one. You have showed it.
Second one is here on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Sarah, it's from your audio, Sarah. That's going.
Yes, echoing from her
Third
room.
question. How many of you are completed? See, 16 and 20. Yes, Risa completed. Very good. Janvi completed. Very good.
Ma'am, can you say the third question, ma'am?
Third question is 16 and 20.
Navneet completed.
Yes, Navneet completed. Okay.
You completed.
Almost all of you are understanding now. Yes, Mayok completed. No, still he is
Will you
completing.
send
Anna,
Ma'am, can you show the
what about Felix? Did you
Ma'am.
complete?
Ma'am, first one I haven't completed. No, the fact after the prime numbers. So can you send the notes personally? I have asked you the
Yes,
notes.
yes, yes, I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send me the whole note?
16 and 20. 16 and 20.
Ma'am, can we write 2 into 10, 20?
2 into 10 you can write. Again, you have to make it into small factors. 10 you can write as small factors as 2 into 5.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you show the board?
Which problem you want to see?
The third one, ma'am, I haven't finished.
25, right?
And 4. Huh? Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Yes, shall I ask the question now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, somebody finished.
Ma'am.
Who completed now?
No.
Yes, Risa, what are the factors of 16? You got it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
can I
Yes.
say Ridvi?
8 into 2.
Yes, Prithvi.
Ma'am, I wrote 5 into 4. Then
16 I asked. What
2
are the factors of 16?
Oh, 6.
Ma'am, 2 into
2 into 8.
2 into
2 into
8.
4.
Again, how will you write as small?
2 into 4.
2
into
into
4.
4.
4
Then
again,
2
you can
into
write it as 2
2
into
into
2.
2.
So how
Two,
many
two.
factors of 16 will come?
2 into
2
2
into
into 2
2.
into
2
2.
into 2
Into
into 2.
two
4
into
times
two.
it will come. So 16, you can make it as prime factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16 is the, so 4 times it is repeated. Only 2 is there, no other number. Yes, Diya, what are the factors of 20?
4 into 5.
4 into 5. How will you write it again? Simplest form?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Manav.
Manav.
2 into 2, 4.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 5.
2 into 2 into 5. Very good. Then both of them very good. Yes. Then what is the HCF, Aditi? What is the HCF? You got it?
Ma'am, I actually have a doubt in this
Ma'am,
question.
In the first case, 16, 2 is repeated 4 times. In 16, it is repeated 4
Ma'am,
times.
can you explain
Into
20?
2 into 2 into 2. In 20, 2 into 2 into 5. So 5 is not here, so don't write it. Only 1, 2 is common, so you have to write both. So HCF will be 4. That means 2 into 2. This 2, it is not here. This 5 is not there, so don't write all these things, which is common in HCF. So what is the HCF? You will get it. Only 4. Is it clear now?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
and what are the factors?
Repeat it
Ma'am,
again.
can
Factors
you
of
repeat
16
it?
are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 8 you can write. 8 again you can write it as 2 into 4. 4 again you can simplify it as 2 into 2. So the 4 factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 16. And
Ma'am,
the 2 factors of 20 are 2, 4 into 5, or you can write it as 2 into 10. Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, Aditi.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
is it
5
correct?
number?
But only one. Others please mute.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am. Can
Ma'am,
I ask
Ridvi,
something, ma'am?
is it correct?
Ma'am,
Ridvik's answer
Sarah.
is correct. Very good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Aditi.
Sarah.
Ma'am, is 5 a prime number?
5 is a prime number. Yes. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
Excuse me, ma'am.
9 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are all prime numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, that factors of 16, can we do 2 into 3 into 2?
3 it will come. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 18. No. 16 means 2 into 8 only it will come. 2 into 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Your number is 16, not 18. Is it okay?
Ma'am, for 20, I wrote 2 into 10, 2 into 5, and 5 into 4. Like that.
No. 2 into 2 into 5.
Ma'am, for 20 are the factors. 5
20
into
is
2
2
into
into
2.
10 you can write. Again this 10 you can write it as 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, now what is the LCM here?
Ma'am, and we can write 5 into 4 also with that.
4 don't write it because it is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number.
You can only do 2 into 2
Okay.
into
Now
5.
which is repeated in LCM, which is repeated
Ma'am,
in
max test.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Test. There's only two more. There's only two more.
So all of you understood now what is meant by HCF and LCM? Adidev, please mute. Adidev is unmuted. No, he is muted. Did you understand now?
Ma'am, I don't understand. Can you repeat it again?
I don't understand LCM.
Test today.
Adidev, please mute.
Ma'am, max test.
Repeat it again.
As test, I will send the questions afterwards. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Ma'am, I don't understand the LCM.
So can you repeat it again?
Adidev.
Ma'am, can you say?
What?
Ma'am,
Can you say, can you repeat it
Anyone,
again?
Risa,
16
please
and
mute. Yes,
20?
Siddhi?
Ma'am, can you repeat this answer again? I don't understand this
Which
question.
one? Which answer?
20. Now 16 and 20. I don't
16
understand.
and
You have
20.
to do it. You have to
16.
do the question.
So in 16, how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 times it is repeated. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, that is 16. And 1 5 is extra here. That 5 also you have to write in LCM. So 16 into 5, it will be 80.
ma'am, some student from 5B
Yes, they are
has
joining now. They are having class here. Okay. One more, two
Ma'am,
more
it is
examples.
11:50.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what is the
time is up.
Yes,
LCM
yes.
of
Time is up.
ma'am, what
Ma'am,
is
8 and
send
10.
the
You write
notes
it as,
today
do
in
it
the
as homework
WhatsApp.
and send me fast.
Ma'am, will you send the notes today?
Yes, you write.
Did
8 and 10.
Mute. Then there is a lot of disturbance. That's echoing.
he is keeping on unmuted. Then 5B class.
Yes, 5B, they are coming now, joining.
Ma'am, 5B class.
Twenty-two and 33.
Ma'am, fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one is 8 and 10. So listen carefully now. These are the topics.
Ma'am, can you show the third one?
Third one now again I will send to you. Okay.
and fourth one? What is that?
Fourth one is 8 and 10. You write it.
Ma'am, the fifth one.
Fifth one.
Ma'am, I don't understand the LCM of the third question.
Third question HCF is what are the which number I told you? 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 20 means 2 into 2 into 5. Which is common here? 1, 2 2s are 1, 2 and 2 2s are common. So HCF will be 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. Okay, these are the problems. You can practice it. HCF and HCM notes. And then tomorrow you prepare for the test for the chapter I told you. Today I will send the questions to you. Which one? 3.1. I will send 3.2. Read well, prepare for well for the exam. How much I gave, that much I will practice it. Bye bye.
Bye.